Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to Mama Crazy's 239 channel. Today I'll be showing you guys how I clean my makeup brushes. You will be needing Dawn baby shampoo and coconut oil. You will start by mixing a teaspoon of coconut oil with Dawn soap and adding baby shampoo. Mix it together, add some water. I threw my beauty sponges in there so they could soak, and I was cleaning them out before I started cleaning my brushes so the water won't be so ugly. And you see, they come out real clean and soft. But just throw your brushes in there so they can start soaking. Grab one and start cleaning away. It's not so hard. All you gotta do is just swirl them around on your egg. And if you don't have one, you can make one, and I'll show you that in another video. But this egg cleaner thing works real good. My bristles, they're so clean. They are white. They came back to life. You just repeat the process. You just take your brush and swirl it around on the egg until there's no more makeup coming out. Same with this brush. This one's like a dirty brush, really dirty, because I used that in my makeup bag on the go. So it had to be cleaned. I kept trying to clean and there was nothing coming out. So I had to grab some Dawn soap, add a drop or two, and start cleaning away again. And all the makeup starts to come out. It's crazy. Like, I don't know, it's so satisfying to do. It takes a while, but I don't know, I just like watching the makeup get cleaned out. You see how it is? It's not so brown anymore. But I kept going in just to clean it off. Once you're done, your water will look all cloudy and dirty and stuff. And then you make your marucha. Just kidding, you throw it out. But look, my brushes, they're all clean. Oh, and you let them dry like overnight on a towel. You can like place a fan on them so it can help them dry. But once you're done like washing all the soap out of them, like you could swirl them around on the towel so it can help them dry out faster. Don't just throw your brush on the damn towel all soaking wet, because obviously it's gonna take forever to dry and the brush is gonna, like, the bristles are gonna be messed up. But just swirl them around on a towel and just let them sit there overnight, and by the next morning they should be dried. I don't know if it's just me or what, but I love when my makeup brushes and my makeup sponges are just clean and ready for me to use. I'm sorry guys if y'all heard my man in the background snoring. But yeah, he's tired from work, so my poor baby. But yep, my brushes are freaking clean now. Like, look at them. They're so nice. I don't even want to use them. Oh, and my brushes, I got 2 sets from BH Cosmetics and the rest from all over the place. I have a link below though. Just look how clean my beauty blenders are. Nice. This is why I use coconut oil with my soap, so my bristles could be so soft. Well guys, thanks for watching. You already know, like, comment, share, subscribe, and see you in my next one. Bye.